Yes, my brother, my sister. Say you know, say when woman get belle, in head need to work correct, well, especially when they don't reach time to born. Everything they worry am. E need the like no everything they worry am. But once him deliver, everything wey dey worry am don settle. Na so e be for this way life today. When you look around for everything wey dey happen, with all the tribulation, all the gbege, all the gbegerity, all the challenge wey full everywhere, insecurity, inflation, no food, natural disaster, my brother, my sister, na a sign. E be like something wey dey point finger say something better wan happen, something dey for front, and that something na somebody, and that somebody na Lord Jesus Christ. My brother, my sister, Jesus dey come again, and the plan wey he get, he wan unwrap am so that me and you, we go enjoy wetin he get for us. And if you want know more, make you follow me, because the plan for Papa for your life this year, this day, e pass wetin Satan go fit handle. That's why we wan do this one. So make you hear am. No fear, no koja. Baba God got your back. Him cover you. Or you must know, say him dey come again, and him dey come for him people like you. God bless you. Make you follow me if you want know more.